Open PixArt app. Add your image. Open Effects. Choose Blur Effect. Adjust intensity. Apply it. Now add that image again. Adjust it on this image. Tap on Eraser. Auto select Person. Now tap Shadow. Adjust it. Adjust position. Choose any color you want. Add borders. Adjust intensity. Now add text. Write topic name. My topic is my first vlog. Choose any font. Change color. Add shadow. Apply this setting. Here your gloating thumbnail is ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates.